Okay, this is a laptop that I don't know if you've seen my videos where I repaired a laptop with a blowtorch. This is one of those laptops that I repaired with the blowtorch, and I just got it back together. Should be repaired. Got it all cleaned up, fair condition. Nice little Acer. So we're going to fire it up for the first time here. I replaced one of those chips using a blowtorch, like you've seen on my other videos. So after you do any kind of work to a laptop, you want to always make sure you've got the battery out and it's all unplugged, and remove the battery and hold the power button down for at least 1 minute. That gets rid of any kind of static discharge. It's like a static discharge to if you had any static while it was worked on. Just for a cleaner boot, sometimes they get this static charge and it messes with the boot, so just hold it down for 1 minute and then go ahead and plug in your power and your other power here. See if I can get to that. I got to move this cord down. Okay. Alright, and then plug this in. And let's see if it well, let's yeah, that'll be all right. I guess the gotta clean up. Well, I gotta maybe see what I got to double check something. Always double check your work. Let's see what happened there. I think most of that'll clean up. Just a little soot. Yeah, that'll clean up, and might have to fix the hinge, but just double check your work, and let's see. Well, that didn't go as planned. So I have to see what happened there. Hope I didn't mess up my plug. Yeah, that looks good. Let me unplug that. That's why you should always double check your work. And I don't know what to tell you why they didn't work. I don't know what would be there that would make that much fire, but put a good size hole right there with my power button. I don't know if I'm getting that in camera there in the light. It put a pretty good size hole there, and you see what it did to the back. So I gotta find out what did that. It's probably something I didn't hook up right, so I'm gonna have to take it back apart and now I need this part here. I didn't mess up my screen or anything. Keyboard's still good. And then we'll go from there. So I guess I'll have to make a part 2 if I continue this project here, but I was hoping it was going to fire up, and then we could see if it boot and probably install Linux on it. But you know, that's how these things go. Didn't work out today. So I guess I'm going to wrap this up here. So that was the fix with the blowtorch. You know, these things happen like that, and you just got to work with it. So till next time, I guess I'm going to wrap this up here because it's really stinking in here and I got to get some fresh air. So I hope this video helped you, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, and maybe you know what happened. Leave it in the comments below. Alright, I'm out.